If you own a home in New York City, there's more to your financial obligations than just mortgage payments and homeowners insurance. You must also allocate funds for property tax. In this video, we will discuss what property tax is, how property tax is billed, and how a title company can offer support during the process of purchasing a property. By the end of the video, you can get a better sense of what property tax is and what will happen if you don't pay the tax. I'm Georgia Macris, and I am a title professional. In this video, we'll get to understand property tax a little bit more. What is property tax? In New York State, the property tax is a local tax raised and spent locally to finance local governments and public schools. While the state itself does not collect or receive any direct benefit from the property tax, this tax is still of major importance as the largest single revenue source for the support of municipal and school district services. Counties, cities, towns, villages, school districts, and special districts use property tax to fund schools, police and fire protection, road maintenance, and many other municipal services. When it comes to property ownership in New York City, paying property taxes is a crucial responsibility. It is important to note that property taxes are determined based on the assessed value of the property, which is determined by the city's Department of Finance. The frequency of property tax payments can vary depending on the location of the property, with some areas requiring quarterly payments while others require semi-annual payments. It is important to inquire about the payment schedule during the closing process to avoid any confusion or missed payments. Failing to pay property taxes can have serious consequences. Unpaid taxes can result in liens or judgments against the property, which can eventually lead to foreclosure and loss of ownership. Therefore, it is crucial to prioritize the timely payment of property taxes to avoid any potential legal issues. To ensure that property taxes are paid in full and on time, title companies often perform a thorough check for any outstanding tax obligations during the closing process. They can provide valuable guidance on the payment process and help ensure that the real estate tax obligations are met. The 5 boroughs in question are the 5 boroughs of New York City, which are Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, and Staten Island. If you owe taxes in any of these boroughs, you are required to pay them quarterly. Then your due dates will be January 1st, April 1st, July 1st, and October 1st. However, if you are required to make semi-annual payments, the due dates would be January 1st and July 1st. It is important to be aware of these deadlines to avoid any late payment penalties. If you owe taxes outside of the 5 boroughs, the due dates will depend on the type of tax you owe. For school tax, the due dates may be October 1st and April 1st. This tax is typically used to fund local public schools and may be collected by the county, town, or school district. If you owe town tax, then the due dates may be January 1st and July 1st. This tax is typically used to fund local government services and may be collected by the town or municipality. To avoid facing judgments and liens, it is crucial to keep track of the relevant due dates. These deadlines may vary based on your location and the type of tax you owe. It is advisable to verify with your local tax authority to seek guidance from a tax expert to confirm that you have knowledge of all pertinent tax deadlines and obligations. In summary, property taxes are an important aspect of property ownership in New York City that should not be overlooked. It is important to note that when you are done paying off your mortgage, you must still pay your property taxes. If you have any questions or concerns about real estate tax, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help. Thanks for tuning in to our video blog about property taxes, and we'll see you next time.